Welcome to JiTest Testmanagement plugin for JIRA. JiTest allows you to manage all your QA activities and data, also known as test cases, suits, plans, executions, reports and diagrams, from within JIRA together with a bleeding-edge graphical user interface for defining your test steps. A special JiTest top navigation menu eases this task down to specifying name, key and optionally a description of the project. The new project is created with some dummy data to help with understanding how to best use JiTest to simply get things done. The first issue type is JiTest test issue representing a test case. On the issue page, you can see the type icon, priority, the affected version, and the reference to any parent test suite this test case belongs to. Beneath the details panel, you also see the test steps panel that enables you to specify test steps for each test case. The next issue type to introduce is the JiTest test suite issue. This issue has a special panel to list all children's test cases or suites. In its initial mode, it will show the first level of children only, but you can switch to a list of all test cases that are children of this suite. To modify the children, you have to press the Edit button. In the pop-up, you can see on the left side all children, and on the right you can add new test cases. But now let's move on to a more complex suite where you can see multiple levels of parentships and suites being a child of a parent suite. The third issue is the test plan, whose panel looks very similar to that of the test suite. Thus, you can again edit the children of the plan by clicking on the Edit button in the pop-up. In addition, you will recognize an Execute button that allows you to perform test executions on all test cases within the plan. In order to successfully run a test plan, one needs to make sure that the plan has an affected version of the project, to which the test run will be assigned to. Now, when clicking the Execute button, the last two new issue types introduced by JiTest are created automatically. For each execution of a plan, a test report will be created containing a list of test executions. One execution issue for each test case that is child of the test plan. The list contains links to the parent test cases and the current state of the execution for each test case. Please also note that the affected version of the report is identical to that of the parent test plan, and the pie chart showing the current test results. So, how do you actually perform test runs? Clicking on the execution issue will reveal the last new issue type, the JiTest test execution issue, with links to its parent's test case and report, and the steps table with an additional column for the execution result of each step. By clicking on the table, you can easily record the states of each step execution. To store your results, click on the Save button, which will automatically update the overall state of the execution, and as you can see, its parent test report and its pie chart. This was a first glimpse on JiTest Testmanagement add-on for JIRA, introducing you to the basic concept. Visit the Atlassian Marketplace or our page at addon.at for more videos and information. Thank you for watching.